Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, Ramzan Mubarak. Hope you will be fine, safe and healthy students. Today we are going to learn cell organelles. Organelles are small structures within cell that perform specific functions. There are about a dozen types of organelles commonly found in eukaryotic cells. We will go through basic facts about important cell organelles. The objectives of today's lesson is to understand the structure and function of nucleus and ribosomes. In the diagram, you are seeing that this is a structure of the cell of eukaryotic cell in which nucleus is prominent and other organelles are found in the cytoplasm. What is nucleus? A prominent nucleus occurs in eukaryotic cell. In animal cell, it is present in the center, while in the mature plant cell, due to the formation of large central vacuole, it is pushed to a side. In cell biology, the nucleus, plural nuclei, from Latin word, is a membrane-bonded organelle found in eukaryotic cell. It is absent in prokaryotic cell. In some cells, there is a single nucleus, while in other cells, such as muscle cells, there are many nuclei in the cell. It was discovered by A.V. Leeuwenhoek for the first time. Scottish botanist Robert Brown explained it in more detail in 1831. Students, it coordinates the cell activities, means it is a brain of the cell, like brain in your body works. Similarly, nucleus works like a brain as in human body, means all activities are controlled by the nucleus. For example, growth, intermediary metabolism, protein synthesis and cell division. Structure of nucleus. The nucleus is the largest cellular organelle in animals. Structure of nucleus is made up of following: nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. Nuclear pores are present in the nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane. Nucleoplasm, nucleolus, we will discuss in later slides. Nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. It is mainly made up of protein and lipids. The nuclear envelope or nuclear membrane consists of two cellular membranes, an inner and an outer membrane, arranged parallel to one another. The outer nuclear membrane is continuous with the membrane of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The nuclear envelope contains many small pores that enable it to act as semi-permeable membrane. The nuclear pores are the gateways across which movement of proteins take place between the nucleus and cytoplasm in both directions. The nucleus of a typical mammalian cell will have about nuclear pores and enable it to act as semi-permeable membrane. Inside nuclear envelope, a granular fluid, nucleoplasm, is present. The nucleoplasm is a highly viscous liquid that surrounds the chromosomes and nucleoli, similarly to the cytoplasm of a cell. Many substances such as nucleotides, necessary for purposes such as the replication of DNA, enzymes which direct activities that take place in the nucleus, are dissolved in the nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm contains one or two nucleoli, singular nucleolus, and chromosomes. Chromosomes, which are responsible for the transmission of genetic material, are also present in nucleoplasm. Chromosomes are present in the form of fine thread-like structure called chromatin during interphase. Interphase is the phase of mitosis and meiosis. These are phases of cell division, which we discuss in next chapter. Chromosomes are visible only during cell division, while during interphase, made up of deoxyribose nucleic acid and proteins. Prokaryotic cells don't contain prominent nucleus, made of DNA only, submerged in cytoplasm. Nucleolus is a dark spot, densely stained structure found in the nucleus. A nucleolus is composed of ribonucleic acid and associated proteins. The nucleolus produces ribosomes, which move out of the nucleus through nuclear pores and take positions on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, where they are critical in protein synthesis. So, students, the function of nucleus to store the cell hereditary material or DNA, site of DNA replication, ribosomal formation, which are specific for protein synthesis, control of all cell activities that include metabolism, protein synthesis, growth, and reproduction. So girls, we discussed the nucleus under the headings that nucleus has double membrane, that is partially permeable membrane, it has pores, and it has nucleoplasm and also nucleolus. The next important organelle is ribosomes, which is synthesized in the nucleus. Now, its structure consists of two subunits made of protein and RNA, not bound by membrane, so found also in prokaryotic cells, but the ribosomes of eukaryotic cells are somewhat large. Its function is the location of protein synthesis, and large number of ribosomes are found throughout the cell. Students, you will write a complete, a detailed and comprehensive note on nucleus in your notebooks. Thank you so much for your attention.